So we're going to do letter maze level 1. Okay, it says level 1 says program the VR robot to move through the maze from start, which is this green square right here, to finish, which is this checkered square right up here. So we're going to navigate all the way through this maze to the checkered square. You're not going to stop at A, B, C, or D. We're going to worry about that when we get to level 2 and level 3. So for the very first thing I would do is I want you guys to actually put your pin down because I want to see the path that you're going to take. So I'm going to say move robot pin down, but before I do that I need to put the set robot pin to the color black or whatever color that you choose, and then I'm going to move the robot pin down, and then I want to set my drive velocity to 100% because I want to speed this thing up, and then I'm going to set my turn velocity to 100% as well. Alright, I know I'm going to go forward, then I'm going to turn left, then forward, then right. Okay, but I'm going to do that like 3 times because I'm going to go forward, left, right. Hold on. Yeah, forward, then left, then forward, then right. And I'm going to do it again. I'm going to go forward, then left, then forward, then right again. Okay, so let's just try this real quick. Hopefully I get this right. This will save us some time. So I'm going to go forward 250 millimeters, which is this first part going forward, and then I'm going to turn left. Okay, so I went forward and I'm going to turn in left. Okay, and then I'm going to go forward again for 250 millimeters. Okay, and then I'm going to face right and I'm going to turn right. So I'm going to come over here and put it right here. So now I'm facing this way. So again, I'm going to go forward, turn left, then forward, turn right, then forward, turn left, then forward, turn right. Let's just see, okay, where we're at here. All right, and then I'm going to go forward, then right. Okay, so now I've got to change some things up a little bit. All right, so now let's go, and we're going to put, we're going to go forward here. We're going to say 250 millimeters. Let me refresh this. And then I'm going to go, I'm going to turn right at 90 degrees. And then I'm going to head across. I'm going to go forward. I'm going to have to kind of guesstimate here. Let's see here. I'm going to guesstimate maybe, let's say 725. All right. I'm going to hit refresh, hit play. Let's just see where I'm at. Looks good. All right, so we're at 725. So I'm going to take a left turn right here at 90 degrees. And then I'm going to drive forward for 250. Okay. And then I'm going to turn right at 90 degrees. And then I'm going to drive forward for about 550 millimeters. And then I'm going to turn right again at 90 degrees. Let me hit refresh. And I may try to go back through this a second time and create a second video and see if I can make this even shorter. But for now, let's just go with this. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Looks good. Turn right. Awesome. All right, so now we turn 90 degrees. Now I want to drive forward, let's say 700 millimeters. All right, and then I'm going to turn left at 90 degrees. And then I'm going to drive forward. I'm going to say for 200, we'll make it 210. And then I'm going to turn left at 90 degrees. All right, and then I'm going to drive forward, let's say for about 900. I'm going to say 920. How about that? All right, I'm going to hit refresh and play, and let's see what happens. All right, looking good so far. Perfect. All right, so I'm going to take a left at 90 degrees. All right, and then I'm going to go forward for about 200 millimeters. And then I'm going to take a right for 90 degrees. And then I'm going to go forward for about 250 since it's a little bit further. And then I'm going to take a left at 90 degrees. And then I'm going to go forward for, let's say, 675. Let me hit refresh. Go back to the top. Let's take a look. It's going through my repeat pattern right now. Perfect. All right, looks good. Perfect. In fact, I may even make this 700. Let's try it one more time. All right, going through the repeat pattern. All right, I will take that. That's perfect. If you have any questions, that's level 1. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. If I can find a shorter way to do this, I will submit another video on YouTube. Let me know if you have any questions.